Hello everyone, please welcome and join me, Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you could easily make some delicious French toast. The main ingredient is the bread. You want to make sure you get French toast bread. This is usually thicker than the normal bread that you get at the stores. We are going to be using 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 eggs, and a 1/4 cup of milk. We'll be using some olive oil so the French toast doesn't stick to the pan. Let's get started. Crack open the egg. I've added the milk to the 4 eggs, and now I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of sugar. And now with the beater, I'm going to mix everything together. All the ingredients are now mixed up. We're going to place the pan and start the gas on medium. We're going to add olive oil. To grab the bread and dip it into our batter. And now we're going to let the bread sit on one side for 2 minutes and then we'll flip it. It's been 2 minutes, I'm going to flip the bread. And now we're going to let it sit for another 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and now the French toast is ready. I'm going to take it out. These French toasts are ready to eat. They're very easy to make and they're very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed these French toast. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you.